Do you feel tired even after you have slept for good 7 to 8 hours? Do smallest of the small things and tasks seem to be overwhelming for you? Are you dealing with fatigue throughout the day? Have no motivation left to go for the gym? No longer feel active? Laziness has just taken over your body? Sadly, your nervous system might be stuck in survival mode. The scary part is most of the people don't even realize it. They think they are lazy, unproductive, weak, broken. Sometimes your body is simply exhausted from being on for too long. In this video, we are going to be talking about why your nervous system feels dysregulated, signs that you are mentally overstimulated, practical ways to calm your body and mind naturally. So, if life has felt heavy lately, this video is for you. Modern life constantly overstimulates our nervous system. Notifications, noise, social media, emotional pain, lack of rest, overthinking. Your body was never designed to process so much of stimulation all the time. And eventually, your nervous system starts sending signals: fatigue, brain fog, anxiety, emotional fatigue, low motivation, irritability. And trust me, this isn't just in your head. Your body keeps score of stress. And healing starts when your nervous system feels finally safe. Some of the other signs that your nervous system is overloaded are doom scrolling but still not finding joy, and your sleep feels unrefreshing. Your brain never feels quiet. So sometimes people think that they need more motivation. Your nervous system is always scanning for danger, and not just physical danger but also emotional danger. Heartbreak, loneliness, pressure, overthinking, fear of failure, and emotional burnout. That's why even relaxing feels uncomfortable at times. Basically, your body has stopped slowing down. It doesn't know how to slow down. Now let's talk about how can you calm your nervous system. Not every moment requires background music, background videos, sound, notifications. Stop this constant stimulation. Spending at least 20 minutes in silence when you wake up, be it walking without your AirPods on, focusing on your breathing. Sit with yourself for some time. Boredom is not enemy. It's where healing begins. So first, regulate your breath work. When you start to sit, take time out for just focusing on your breathing. For example, this technique, which involves 4-4-6 method, you have to inhale 4 counts, you hold count till 4, then you exhale to the count of 6. So the longer exhalation, it calms your body. Longer exhale signal safety to your nervous system. No screen time before you sleep. At least half an hour before your bedtime, stop scrolling because of the blue light. It activates your nervous system and it doesn't allow you to have a sound sleep. Have magnesium rich food before sleeping, like dark chocolate, anything that has magnesium in it. Point number 3, try moving your body gently rather than intense workouts all the time. Try mild stretches, yoga, dancing. Even a 15-minute walk can reset your mood. Reduce the emotional overload. Stop indulging yourselves in negative conversations. Take a step back whenever there is a negative content that you see. Mute all those accounts that triggers comparison in you. These small tools are actually going to help you in calming your nervous system, because your nervous system absorbs more than you realize. Not every thought deserves your attention. Please protect your mental peace. Next point is creating a safety signal system. So this may involve warm showers, talking to people who are supportive, positive, they are involved in growth mindset, listening to calming music, sitting in sunlight, sitting in nature, praying, meditation, journaling. These are the key factors that help in calming your nervous system. I know they are the cliche ones, but there is no other escape to the overstimulation. Only these habits are going to ground yourself, they are going to slow down the pace of your life, and they are going to calm your nervous system. And here's something for you: you do not have to fix your entire life in a day or overnight. You can take your own time, one step at a time, to build that system, not through pressure, not through self hate, not through forcing productivity. A regulated nervous system is built with small repetitive actions. Okay, so let's simplify and give you some reset routine tips for your nervous system. First thing when you wake up, no screen immediately after you wake up. You drink some water, you sit in sunlight for at least 10 minutes or maybe take a walk. In afternoons, try to not have snacks, instead have protein rich foods, some sort of movement, stretching. During night, you can dim the lights, you can start with deep breathing, meditate a bit, and then go to sleep with a calm music. You can even journal your thoughts before sleeping. That is going to dump all your thoughts on your diary and it is going to remove the junk out of your head. Keep your space clean. That also helps a lot with a calmer mind. The more you sit in dirty environments, mind feels chaotic. You need to understand that your body is not working against you, it is working in your favor. You just need to treat it right. It does not need punishment. All it requires is safety, rest, care, consistency. Healing takes time. Slowly, you will observe that your mind is becoming calmer, quieter, body becomes lighter, and your life starts feeling colorful again. If this video made you feel understood, like, share, subscribe, and share it to someone who needed this right now. And remember, you're allowed to slow down. See you in my next one. Bye.